Yahaya controller, with my colleagues, we represented the executive governor of Kogi State today in this judgment. So we want to say to God be the glory. At least the bed has been finally laid to rest. And with this judgment now, I believe it's all over. So that the governor can concentrate, on his policies and the plan he has for the people of Kogi State. And I believe with this, all distractions are all over. And we pray that God will grant him good head to pilot the affairs of Kogi State, and then so that Kogi people can benefit from this good governance which he has in stock for them. As you know, the appellant raised a lot of issues, a lot of objections. But at the end of the day, their lordship, in their wisdom, unanimously agree with us that this appeal, deserve no merit. Thank you so much.
Your name once again, sir.
Rattle for what? When I've gotten judgment, there's nothing to rattle. The first speak for himself, right from the tribunal down to the Court of Appeal, and here in Supreme Court. There's nothing to rattle.
Your name once again, sir.
Being the mark of Nigeria.
Thank you very much.
What else will be my reaction? Whatever has a beginning has an end. Yes. Everybody here knows when it started. I can tell you that it has ended today. By this judgment, the fine young man, the governor of the state, now has the opportunity to settle down and take governance to the next level for the people of Kogi. We're grateful. One of the respondents.